Hello, welcome back to Vlogmas day 6, 7. Told y'all probably will see me again in this shirt. But check it. I have my unboxing to do with you guys. I have to take off the receipts and stuff. I mean, not receipts. What is it? The packaging? Okay, so I'm so excited it came. They got here while I was on the phone with a customer. So Zoe started going ballistic and opened the door. They have these seasonal UPS people out right now. So wasn't my normal UPS person, but we know what this means. Yeah. So let's open her, shall we? Okay, what side we gonna open? Am I doing it right? Hold on, y'all. Look, I haven't ordered in so long, I done forgot how to open a box. I'm excited because I see the box. Y'all. I am over. Oh, let me show y'all. Y'all know I just said I'm so excited. Look. I am over the freaking moon. OMG. See, patience is virtues. Because I was just like, okay, it's taking a week for it to come now. Like, what is it? But I'm okay. Look at that. I have the new packaging, y'all. Now, I would have been okay if it just was this. Look, I'm over the moon because of the packaging. I don't even want to open it. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Okay, let's open it, y'all. Look, let's look at this one. Look. Love it, y'all. Love it. Let's even the ribbon. Look at the ribbon. Look at the ribbon. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh my goodness, y'all. Y'all, this don't make no sense to be this pretty. Look at that. Look at that. Well, this is how the back look. But look at that. Oh, let me open it. I'm sorry, y'all. Have mercy. Patience, because it took me, I guess, about a month to figure out, did you want it or not? I did. It's a little something. It's a little something. It's a little something. It's gonna go great in my Gigi bag. Look at that. Now, I was a little worried about the silver button at first, and I was like, it's just a button. It's a different collection. Be quiet. Accept it. It's different. I don't do well with difference, but I'm accepting it. It's different and it's gorgeous. So this is the Karagami, the small with the card holder. I think all of these are made in Italy. Yeah. I think there are. Everybody that I've seen open it has said Italy. The one I even saw at the Galleria the week before last was Italy. But I didn't want it because everybody, you know. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. I told y'all. Look at that. Do y'all see that? It comes with the card holder. So precious. So precious. I first saw this on Minx for All. She was first, because I saw it before when they did the early release. They emailed me and all that, and I was like, well, no. That was something I wanted to wait to see other people unbox, reveal, to see how I was gonna like it. I saw it in the store when I got the second Gigi bag, and I liked it, but before she brought it to me, someone else was playing with it, doing it. It just didn't sit right with me. And that was the only one it had. So I was like, oh, okay, I'll just wait. That night, I could not just watch TV in peace. Picked up my phone, ordered it. Here we are. Oh, look at that. I thought it was an awesome deal. It's $3.80, I think. Where's my receipt? I don't think the receipt says that on here. I don't think it does. No, it just has the code, the product number, the description, yeah, and then my information and stuff like that. That's all in here. So then y'all know the care instructions and all that coming there. But it's the Keragami. I plan to put cash, if I have cash on me, in this, in the little pouch. Oh. And it's I don't know, in the store, I was just like, okay, will I use it? I am, because this is gonna go perfect in my GG bag. I still have to go. We're gonna go over that next week, y'all. We got more Vlogmas days to come. We might do it Sunday. I don't know yet. I gotta see. But perfect. This color is gorgeous. Y'all know I still don't have a light on. I don't know, the light just bothers me. I gotta get me some better lights, but hopefully I'll be recording on a camera by Sunday. I did take it out, y'all, since talking to y'all earlier today. It's charging, and I'm down there. I have to go and finish setting it up. So I have it out the box. Baby steps. But look at that. Y'all, that, what is it? Pondicherry or something? I don't know. It's pink. It's pink. So Pondy pink, I think it is. I don't know. It's pink. That's all I know. They have a pink. They have a red. They have like this turquoise blue. And they have another color, I think, but I can't think. Oh, and a green, I think. I think a green. I don't know. I'll put the different colors right here. 1, 2, 3, maybe a 4. Yeah, I'll put them here. So, but for $3.80 LV, because I originally wanted the card holder. I wanted it in empreinte. And then I was like, well, no, I just don't see myself doing a lot with it. And then there's a new empreinte wallet. It's a little small zipper around. I think it's called Margot. It came out in October, and I was like, well, I can get that because I really like the empreinte SLGs. And I was like, well, I don't know if full paper dollars go in there, so I have to go to the store and play around with that. None of the stores locally have it, so I was like, okay, well, no. I wanted to get this because it was the Colobania. Don't know if it's limited. The girl at the store said she didn't know if it was limited. The girl on the phone said she didn't know if it was limited edition. Nobody knows, so I don't have to worry about it now because I have it. So if it is limited, I done got that out the way. But this is awesome. Really nice pieces. 2 for 1. Because a card holder, I know they used to be like $2.15. Now I think they're like $3.05 or something. Or $2.95. I don't know. They're not $200 anymore. I know that. $3.80. 2 pieces. Deal. I call it a deal. I can see throwing this in there with cash or whatever else, throwing whatever cards, and then it's a lot of space in here. So whatever cards I plan to use, look like I can put a couple. I might put my ID in this one, and then whatever cards in this one. I don't know. And then I guess you can put both of them inside, even with a little cash. So we'll have to play around with it, y'all. But I'm excited. I finally get to show y'all what I've been waiting all week for. So yeah, it's Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in Italy. I think it is nice. The glazing is nice. Yeah, the glazing is nice. The canvas looks good. Yeah. So this is it, y'all. That's a silver hardware. So that's it. You see those little pops of pink? That is so nice. I am excited, y'all. I'm excited because this is, I'm excited about the piece. I'm excited about the box. Like, y'all. Oh, God, I'm not going down that rabbit hole of buy you something else so you can get you another box. Well, I do have one item that I've been thinking all week on it, and I'm like, what am I going to use it on? So I'm trying to think. I think I want it just to go ahead and have, because I haven't bought one in a couple years. So just to have a new one of what the item I'm talking about. So I'm gonna see. But I'm glad I went on and got this one. Finally ordered it, and yeah, although it was a little wait and then I missed them. They need to give you better times. At least this time they were right. They said 3:30 to 7:30. And he got here like 3:51. So that was good. But I still have to go to at home and pick my curtains up so I can put the new curtains up in here. Hopefully they look good too from the color I picked. But this is what I got, y'all. And I'll do a review and everything. I just wanted to reveal today. But I'm excited about this. That is so cute. Yes. So excited and happy to have in my collection. Now look, and they got these in here. So when was this one made? Oh, this one doesn't have the little numbers on here. Because the other, yeah, it's not a number up in here. I know the other little card I got. Oh, how do you put this in here? Oh, just slide it in there. Just like that. Oh, that's the other card, I think. It's inside the card holder. No, that's not it neither. That's just the textile card. Okay, well, it's usually a card that'll say like the date. There's a date on there, not a date code, but a date. And it'll say like when it came in or something like that. I don't see it on here. Yeah, I don't see it on here. So, but I'm excited to have this one. I think it is perfect just to throw in your Gigi bag or a small bag or a big bag. It doesn't matter. But for me, I'm going to put this in my Gigi bag. And yeah, I think it is perfect. Yeah, the button says Louis Vuitton. But it's cute. And it can fit a lot. You can just tell. So we're going to do some of that too. I'll get some money and put up in here. Yeah, I think it's nice. I'm excited that I finally have it, y'all. But this box, baby. This box is nice. This box is very nice. The ribbon is very nice. Babe, this is the best. They did their thing this year. Because over the years, you know, I love the saffron, imperial saffron, beautiful color, beautiful, you know. But this here, they need to keep this year round. Look at this. Let's talk about it again, y'all. Look at this. Baby. And then the tag. Can we, what? Look at that. This is imprinted in, like, yes, you can feel the giraffe. It's so elegant. I mean, okay, LV, Louis, do your thing, because you did. This is just so pretty. This is a very good keepsake. If I was opening a gigantic one of these for Christmas, which I'm not because I don't have nothing big on my Christmas list, I would flip out. I would flip out because, for one, I'll be scared to open it because it's so pretty. But then, oh my gosh. And then just look at it. It looks like it's leather. It gives the look of leather on the box. Lord, I'm giving a whole description of a box, y'all. It's gorgeous. Oof. I love that. They did the thing for 2024 holidays. Okay. Well, the winner is Louis Vuitton. Yeah, so that's it, y'all. Day 6-7. 6 going into 7. I might have a 7-7. So thank y'all for watching. I'm excited about this. I'm gonna do a review next week. We'll do reviews on every little thing that been opened up. That'll be next week. Here go my glasses too, y'all. They sitting up here waiting. I gotta bring the other ones up. But thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.